Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a YouTube viewbot allowing your views to go from this much to this much in a matter of hours or minutes. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. You're going to go to the link I have in my description, which is nizop.com, and in here you're going to go to the new order page and you should see a bunch of these services. Now today we're going to be doing views. So there's a lot of different options for views. Some of these views, if you use this on your monetized channel, it actually gives you money, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it with YouTube views, no refill. As you can see here, I only had about 80-90 cents in my account, so I was limited to spending a lot, and if I had more money, I actually would demonstrate more, as in 10,000 to 100,000 views, but for today, I'm just going to demonstrate 1,000 views. So of course you can use the other ones. Things like targeted and high retention, they actually give you more watch time and can give you money if you have ads on your YouTube channel. So we're going to go for YouTube views, no refill. And then we're going to want to go to somebody's YouTube channel. So let's go to a random, let's do this. Oh, nope. Okay. Well, how to open a cup. And we have, let's go to video and then upload date, and we're gonna go for this one, this Borovet's open cup thing. As you can see, it has 197 views, so we're gonna copy this link and you're gonna want to paste it over here, and then we're gonna go 1,000. Now the expected time is 3 hours and 48 minutes, but Nizop actually goes like way below this. This is just a far estimate to not dissatisfy you, but in reality it take like less than 1 hour. So as you can see, it's 78 cents, and we're gonna click submit. And by the way, to get funds in your account, you just want to go to add funds, and then you can use you could pay using Bitcoin, whatever. Just deposit a small amount in here so you could buy the service. And if we go to our order section, we can see that this order is now going. So let's go to the YouTube video very quick. Okay, sorry, I just burped. And if we refresh it, I don't think anything should start sending yet. Oh, okay, one has sent, but I think that might have just been me. But I'm gonna keep refreshing, and if I see no difference, yeah. So I'm gonna stop the recording, and I'm gonna save this link actually over here. So I'm gonna save this link over here, add bookmark, and I'm gonna come back to it in a bit and see if it has 1,000 more views. So hello, this is the evening right now. I don't know how much time has passed, but I am back on my computer and I'm gonna check the video now, and it should have about 1,000 more views. And as you can see, it has 1,123 views. Now I think we started from 180, 70, 90, that amount of views. So we've gained like 900, and you might see it as 900 and not 1,000, because sometimes YouTube gets rid of some views, but don't worry. Nizop will bring your views back to make it go back to 1,190. So we're lacking like 70 views right now. Not a big problem. It's only temporary. It's gonna stay like this. It should be going back soon to about 1,200. And I just refresh one more time to show you guys that I'm not inspect elementing this. But yeah, that's basically all for this video. Like and subscribe, and check out the link in my description to actually use this website. And bye bye.